I think the Multisim screen is visible to everyone. So I have created a login and I have created this circuit using Multisim software, and I have told you this software is you are able to see on the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you see the components are drag and drop. See, if you want DC voltage, just click on it and drag and drop it. You will get the DC voltage source. So like that only I've dragged and dropped. And if you keep at the edge, you will get a connector. You can see, you can connect using wires like this. It's very simple. And wherever you want, you can stop. That wire will be stopping here. Okay. So that is very simple to connect all these components. So see, I have connected VCC is 24 volt, RC is 8 kilo ohm, RL is 24 kilo ohm, and I've selected an NPN transistor. And this 100 by 100 is the value of beta. Beta is 100. You know, beta is the current amplification factor for common emitter amplifier, right? So this 100 by 100 indicates the value of beta. And this is your base resistance RB, and it is usually very high to restrict the current which is flowing through your base. So once all connections are given, you have to mandatorily connect everything to ground. One end of voltage source, the emitter terminal is grounded, the RL is also grounded. So connections are same as what you saw in the PPT. Okay. If you want to change the property of any element, click it. You can change the property here. 24 volt. If you want to make it 5 volt, you can change it here. Resistance value, if you want to change, click it. You can change the resistance value here. Okay. The transistor parameters you can see here. What is the transport saturation current? See here. What is the beta? It is the maximum forward current gain, and you have the advanced parameters. What is the base leakage current? What is the leakage emission coefficient? So everything you can adjust here. And see the VBE value. VB is zero point 0.7 because I'm considering silicon. So all the transistor parameters or standard values are given. You can change it if you want to customize to your own transistor. So all the parameters are given. So this transistor, what is going to be used here, will include all the parameters in simulation. Okay. So advanced parameters are there. See, the symbol is given. This is the symbol for the transistor which we are using, and it is the nodes, emitter, base, and collector terminals. Okay, so once all the connections are given, you have to measure voltage or current, right? So for that, we have something called as probe. See here, you have 6 types of probes. A voltage probe only for measuring voltage, current probe for measuring only current, voltage and current. It will display both voltage and current at the same value, reference and digital. For digital circuits, you will be using this digital probe. And see here, I am measuring, I want VCE and IC, right? So I am keeping this voltage current probe here in the collector terminal. So it will measure both VCE and IC.